Got a new iPhone or iPad? Here's how to set up your Midco email automatically. Start by connecting your device to your Midco Extreme Wi-Fi, then open Safari. Navigate to ios.midco.net. Enter the following information on the setup page. Email address is your full email address. Full name is the name you want people to see the email coming from. Password is your existing email address password. From there, tap the Request Configuration button. Tap Install, then again on the Install Profile pop-up box. After installation, you'll see the Profile Installed screen. Tap Done. Open your mail icon from the home screen. Choose to view your email by all inboxes or by certain email accounts. Tap Mailboxes on the top left of your screen to view folders. That's all it takes. Your Midco account includes up to 10 email addresses with up to 1 gig of storage space per account. Midco protects every account from email spam and viruses for free.